So you want to know how to get more subscribers and more views to your YouTube channel? Hang around, we're going to talk about it. Hi, I'm Walter Weyburn. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Please subscribe, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments and questions. And let's get into this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to breathe new life into your older videos on your YouTube channel. By doing just a few little things, this will make your videos get suggested more by YouTube, and your channel will start to explode. Y'all, I do have notes here because I'm old and forgetful, so how to cover everything I want to talk about, I have to make notes. I hope you understand. If you don't now, you will when you get at my age. It don't matter if you have a new channel or your channel is a few years old. This method will get you more views, insane amounts of views, and insane amounts of new subs. First of all, this should be at the end, but I want to cover it right now. Let's talk about how you end your videos. That matters a lot, and you will understand why by the time we get to the end of this video. Alright, let's talk about ending a video. And yes, I'm guilty of this, and I need to work on this myself. If y'all have ever watched my videos, you know how I end my videos. I love you all. Let's have faith in God and all of that kind of stuff. And while that's good, we need to postpone it just a little bit. Because once people hears you start to end your video, on YouTube, the fact of life is most people don't watch your whole video. For the ones that do watch all your video, once you start to close out, they know the video's over. They're going to go ahead and click off of it. You don't want them to do that until you do this method. So when you run out of things to say on your video, when you're about to end your video, just go right into check out these videos that's popping on the screen right now. If you want more information like this, if you enjoyed it, please watch these other videos. And make an end card and put a video in there that will help them with this problem, because that's what it is. It's a problem getting people to your YouTube channel. So don't close it out by saying this is the end of the video. Don't tell them it's the end of the video. Put that end card up there first and tell them to watch the video that's in that end card. Most of the time when you tell people what you want them to do, they will do it. If you don't, they're going to watch your video and then they're going to click off and go to someone else's video. But if they like that content that you just gave them, chances are they're going to watch that next video that you suggest to them. Now I want you to pick a video that did pretty good for you when it was new. Also, that video needs to be at least 30 days old. Put that video in the end card. Tell them to go watch that video, or ask them to go watch that video. And then once you do that, then you can close out your video and say, thank you all, I love you all, thank you for stopping by, let's have faith in God, and all that kind of stuff. The stuff that I normally say. That can be after you tell them to go watch that video. Because like I said, once you say them things that you normally say to end a video, it triggers them to click off your video. And really, only a handful of people watches your whole video. And if you start to say that, those people will click off and they will never know about the video that you're suggesting to them. But if you do it and use this method, more people will be watching that older video. And how I normally put 2 videos at the end, it's better if you put 1 video at the end. And I'll tell you why. Because when you put 2 videos, you got a 50-50 shot. They're going to either go watch this one or they go watch that one. Most of the time they won't watch both. So you put one on there and tell them to go watch that video. that video will start, and it's 30 days old, remember that. That video will start getting more views. All of a sudden, people's going to start watching that video. YouTube is going to see that as people are interested in that video. People likes that video, so now YouTube will start suggesting it in the column on the side, and more people will see that video. This will boost your channel big time. That will get more views to that video. Now, if you do this every day for a week, more and more people will view that video. Then, at the end of the week, start putting another video out there. Change that video. This will bring new life to your older videos. Don't forget about Facebook, Twitter, and all social media. Now, honestly, you're not going to get a whole lot of views from social media. But at the end of the day, it all adds up. With more views comes more subscribers. More views, more subscribers equals more suggestions by YouTube. And your channel is going to just snowball and start taking off. Try this. This really works. Also, another thing that I've done in the past to get more views to your new videos is your thumbnail. The thumbnail tells a story. Your title tells a story. Now, y'all, I have done this method in the past. I've done it probably 5 or 6 times, and it really works. When you publish a video, like when I publish my videos at 6 a.m. in the morning, I give it an hour for test. And if it don't take off the way I think it should take off, I change my thumbnail. Then if it don't start taking off, I change the title. It's the same video, just different title, different thumbnail. And most of the time, it will go through the roof once you do that. I've done it several times and it really worked. That may be another thing you want to try. But don't forget to use the end screen cards to promote your older videos. Breathe new life into those old videos. That will tell the YouTube algorithm that people are really interested in your older stuff, and YouTube will start suggesting it. Y'all, this will get you more views. More views equals more subscribers. More subscribers equals your channel is going to explode. Y'all, I have had a lot of YouTube channels. I finally found how to make them grow with this YouTube channel. And my channel is taking off. My channel is less than 4 months old. And you see what kind of success I've had with it. So, y'all try these methods. It will work. Also, another thing you can do. If you have a friend, someone that you really know that's got a really good YouTube channel that gets a lot of traffic, don't do this through don't talk to them about this through a video of theirs, because YouTube will see that and they will flag it and they don't like this kind of stuff. But you can talk to them through email or on the phone or whatever, and you will ask them to put one of your videos in their end screen card. This will explode your channel like crazy. And at the same token, do it to them. High tides raises all ships. It's nothing wrong with helping someone else out. But at the same time, they need to help you out. So try this. Now, I'm not saying go find somebody with a big channel and bug them to death to share your videos. That's going to turn them off and they're going to end up blocking you from their channel. If you got a friend, a close friend that's got a big channel, talk to them privately about this, not on YouTube. YouTube will catch it and you're going to hurt both channels. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up on the screen right now. It is to help you in your journey to make more money on YouTube. Y'all, we got to have faith in God. We're going to get through all these hard times we're having. And please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And just know I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.